Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my YouTube channel. Yeah, so please, if after watching this video and you still don't know how to melt your ogbono when while cooking your ogbono soup, like you don't know how to melt it, if after watching this video and you still don't know how to melt it in the African way, in the local ancient women way, then I think you need Jesus. You need Jesus. Please, if this is the first time of coming across my video, please do wait to click the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So on this day I was cooking ogbono soup, yes, in the African way. Yeah, so I just had a reflection of what happened when I was still small, when I was still a baby, when we were still around 5 to 6 years old. I think I could still remember what happened during those days because it was really a remarkable event. Like, it's something I cannot forget, even in a hurry. Yes, I cannot forget that day because I was faced with so much embarrassment. Yes, I was faced with so much embarrassment. So it was in my church. We have the adult and the children church. Yes, we have the adult and the children church. So on that very day, it was a testimony, special number, and Thanksgiving Sunday in children department. So they were not calling. Pastor Nan came and announced it was testimony and Thanksgiving and special number. So whoever that have special number, testimony, or Thanksgiving, he or she is to come and write their names. So me, I was sitting down. Innocent me, I was sitting down. No, my elder sister called me that I should go and write my name. She was pushing me, I should go and write my name. Me confused. I don't know any song to sing. I don't have a special number. Neither do I have a Thanksgiving to give. I just fearfully went and write my name. So I wrote my name down. When it was now my turn, before it got to my turn, I started calling my elder sister. I told her that I don't understand. What do you want me to sing? I don't have any song in mind. So she started teaching me a song. Like God. She started teaching me a song at that moment for me to give as a special number in church. So in my head, I never knew that there was difference between gospel and secular music. So I didn't know, and well, I won't sing the song. I don't think I can remember the name of the artist, but I believe that when I start singing it here, if you're familiar with the song, you should know the artist and know that this music is not for church. Like, it's not a gospel music. Yeah, so after teaching me, it was now my turn. Man, pastor called me and I came out. I collected the mic. Then I started singing. Guess the song. Baby, you give it to me, I give it to you. I know what you want, you know I am. Baby, you give it to me, I give it to you. I know what you want, you know I am. Yo, baby, I give. I never even started the rap. Like a bit of a rap or I go deserve. Pastor another Michael. Like Pastor collected my mic. Jesus Christ. With so much surprise in his face, and me on the other side, innocent me. I didn't know it was a secular music. Like, I cannot differentiate. I don't know. It was my elder sister. Jesus. He said, please go and sit down. This is not a gospel music. You don't sing this kind of song in church. He started encouraging parents that they should come closer to listening to what their children. He started saying that parents should please listen to what their children listen to. If it's something that is listenable, that they should continue giving it out to them. That how can somebody come to this altar to start singing secular music? Nah, like, I was confused. Oga, I am still small. How will I know that there is difference between secular and the gospel music? I don't know. That was why I sang the song. Me now, I was so embarrassed. Everybody started looking at me. People started laughing at me. My elder sister even taught me the music. They taught me the song to go and sing. Started laughing with her friends. They were laughing heavily, bitterly. Like, the laugh was heavy. And me on the other side, I was bitter. Like, I was angry. And I was so ashamed of myself. Like, that incident, I can't forget such kind of incident. Like, I think I cannot forget it. Not in this lifetime. I can't forget it because I faced the worst embarrassment in children department. So guys, I have come to the end of this video. Thanks for staying to the end of this video, and I am thankful. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.